I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel gelatin. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of unflavored gelatin, about 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 cups of whole milk. Also, have a 1/4 cup of cold water ready to bloom the gelatin. This easy method ensures a smooth, delicious dessert every time. We'll use a medium saucepan and a 6-cup mold. Now let's create that beautiful caramel base. In a saucepan, melt 1 cup of sugar over medium heat, stirring constantly. Watch it closely as it transforms into a golden, liquid caramel. Once it reaches a deep amber hue, immediately and carefully pour this hot caramel into your mold, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. This step sets the stage for our delightful dessert. Next, we'll prepare the gelatin and milk mixture. First, sprinkle 1 packet of unflavored gelatin over a 1/4 cup of cold water in a small bowl and let it bloom for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, gently heat 2 cups of milk with a 1/2 cup of sugar in the same saucepan until it's warm but not boiling. Stir in the bloomed gelatin until it completely dissolves, ensuring a smooth consistency. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour the warm gelatin and milk mixture over the set caramel in your mold. Place the mold in the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or until the gelatin is completely firm. When ready to serve, briefly dip the mold in warm water, then invert it onto a serving plate. Enjoy your homemade caramel gelatin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.